The presence of a back garden in a rainforest concept house will create a cool atmosphere. The land in the back garden can become a water absorption area when it rains, so you also contribute to environmental sustainability. The plants in the back garden, namely flowers and various garden accessories, will make the whole house more beautiful and pleasing to the eye. The presence of a backyard provides open space so that air circulation is created well. Planted trees and plants will provide refreshing and healthy oxygen intake for the residents of the house. Existing plants can also reduce dust entering the house, so the house becomes cleaner and healthier.